Alright, if you have not done day 1 or day 2 of lesson 19, you do not need to be on this lesson, and you need to go back and finish the days that you have not completed. So flip back, see if you did them. If you didn't, get off this video and go to the one you need. This is lesson 19, day 3. This is actually the last lesson in lesson 19. This does not have 5 days worth. This is only 3 days. So woo-hoo. So let's connect ideas about measuring with tiles and rulers, okay? Now, this picture down here is very hard to see with my camera, so you're going to have to make sure you're looking back and forth at your book. I know you're going to because you have to write stuff down, but it's hard to see, so just beware. Create. Macy lines up 1 centimeter tiles along a strip of paper. She marks the end of each tile. Write the numbers on the blanks to finish making the ruler. So it's 1 centimeter. So what number should go here? What always starts? What is the starting number every single time for a ruler? You should have said 0. And then it just counts like normal. So it's a ruler. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Make sure you don't forget 0. That's important. Compare. Ty and Lynn each make a ruler. So here's one ruler, here's the other ruler. Circle the ruler that is made correctly. How do you know? So which one of these is made correctly? Let's take a look at them. Make sure you try before you just copy. Helps you in the long run. It should be this second one. And how do we know? Well, 1 inch or 1 centimeter, regardless, always have to be the same size. Look at these two. They're not, and right here and right here, it's not spaced right. So the first ruler has too many spaces. They're not all even. Well, I guess Miss Rice isn't starting this correctly because it says circle the ruler that is made correctly. How do you know it's made correctly? So the space between each number is the same size. It has the, how do we put this? Well, yeah, I guess we could put that. It has spaces that are the same size. Pretty easy. You gotta have the same size. In other words, you're not measuring length. Just like the paper clip one from day 1, you can't have it overlapping or anything like that. Same with the ruler. You can't have numbers just willy-nilly in there. Okay? Tony says the crayon is 8 centimeters long. So he's saying this is 8 centimeters long. Is he correct? Is he right? Explain why. So look at this. Is he right? Make sure you try it, or at least get an answer in your head and why you think that before you go on. The answer is no. He's not right. So no, Tony is wrong. Now, that answered this question. Now we need to explain ourselves. Why is he wrong? Tony did not line up the crayon at 0. That's it. You always have to start at 0. So he did not start at 0, so therefore he did not get the right answer. He's off a whole centimeter. It should be 7 centimeters. Alright, so let's put it all together. Use what you have learned to complete this task. For this task, you will need 1-inch tiles and 1-inch centimeters, or 1-inch tiles and 1-inch centimeter tiles. Use 1-inch tiles to make a ruler. I am not going to make that for you. This should be easy enough for you to make as long as you start at 0. And make sure you put lines just like this, and then the number. So pause video, complete your ruler, because I will be looking at this when I sign off. How long is your ruler? Your ruler should end up being 6 inches. If it didn't end up being 6 inches, make sure you were using inch tiles and not centimeter tiles. They're a big difference. Part B. Use 1 centimeter tiles to make a ruler. Same deal. Use the centimeter tiles. Make sure you put lines all the way through and make sure you number them just like a ruler. So pause it and do it. I will look at it. How long is your ruler? So in centimeters, it should be 5 centimeters long. 15, I'm so sorry. 15 centimeters long. Explain the steps you took to make the rulers. I'm not going to do that for you because I didn't do it. This whole part should be you. So explain the steps you took to make the rulers. So what did you do to make these rulers? Tell me what you did.